off.
Yo, who kid? The streets is talking, man. I don't know what the fuck you doing down there, nigga, but it's working. Yeah, gangsta. Flip pies and bricks on the block with the work since '96. Now I'm on Aftermath, we supply them hits. Now everybody love Dre and they ride dick, cause Eminem getting money, 50 getting money. Streets is talking, watch the game after this summer. I ain't talking about the NFL, I'm talking about me and Big Face 100 and them twin SLs. I'm a gangbanger, nigga, so try your luck and have Desert Eagle slugs whizzing by your truck. I ain't gon' lie, I'm high as fuck. That's the purple haze, family matters, but I've been smoking since the Urkel days. Can't remember if I was 5 or 10 when my Uncle Greg got locked. Did a 5 to 10, got out and got stabbed to death. I thought I'd never understand how a nigga could just kill a man. Now you see me walking out the cemetery like Thriller, man. And I ain't MJ, but when the game on the line, gotta take them shots like MJ. And that ain't no bullshit when the Mac 10 spray. Give them 50 in the garden. Kill you by myself and I don't need no Pippin. Come on. Got niggas in the Nickerson gardens that'll fill you up with hoes like G-Unit and 50 in the garden. Here is something they can't understand. They wanna know where Dre found him, man. Somewhere running around Cali with the pound in hand. And I can't wait for my shit to hit the fan.